Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Unlimited Shades of Innovation. In this video, let's see how we can upcycle an empty shampoo bottle. So before we start, please check out the description box below to get the complete information about the material used in this DIY. So I'm using air dry clay to make flowers and leaves to upcycle the shampoo bottle. You can use any air dry clay. Here I have used Mouldit Fevicryl air dry clay. It usually takes 60 minutes to dry, 60 to 90 minutes to dry completely. Slowly add petal by petal to make a beautiful rose. So guys, if you have any issue while modeling this clay, if you find that the clay is sticking to your fingers, then you can add a little bit of talcum powder to avoid it. This is how it looks once the rose is done. And now let's make a leaf. If you don't have any clay modeling tool, you can just simply use a safety pin or any pencil to use the sharp edge to make the scales on the leaf. Now let's color these flowers and leaves. I'm using acrylic colors to color these flowers and leaves. If you have metallic colors, then you can just try them. They give a very nice look to these flowers and leaves. Once they are dried completely, now let's fix it on the shampoo bottle to create a nice look. You can use any pattern of your own. I'm just trying to place 3 roses and then I'm adding the leaves. I'm using Fevicol here, but if you want to use any other adhesive, the Fevicol would take quite some time to dry. If you want it to dry immediately, then you can use Fevikwik or any other instant drying adhesive. I have added a thread to the neck of the bottle. You can use any thread or you can even use twine. And now I'm adding crystal stickers to the flowers to enhance the look. So guys, this is how it looks once it is done. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And also please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited shades of innovation. Do something creative every day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.